pan, we'll heat 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon butter. Now we'll add 2 medium-sized onions, finely chopped, and cook it till it turns brown. We'll add some dhania in it so that it gives a good flavor. Now we'll add 1 medium-sized capsicum and cover it for 5 minutes. I think 1 or 1.5 tablespoons of bhaji masala. Now we'll add 2 medium-sized tomatoes, finely chopped. Add 3 to 4 spoons of tomato ketchup. Tablespoon of chilli sauce. 1 tablespoon oregano and salt to taste. Now again we'll cover it for 5 minutes. As you can see, it has been cooked properly. Now we'll be spreading some mayonnaise on it. And also some pizza sauce. Now we'll spread our base. Some cheese on it. Some butter on a pan. Keep the flame low. Cover it for 5 minutes.